computer! Okay, this is tonight's homework. Okay, so... Okay. I know I've assigned this before, but from what I saw in the last homework worksheet, a lot of you didn't do this one. So I put on this one again. Kyle has 2 jobs. His first job is working at the city hall, which makes $14 per hour. Kyle's second job, so that's 14 times the number of hours. Kyle's second job is at the Long Beach Aquarium, making $21 per hour. So this is 21 times the number of hours at the aquarium. So we're going to use A here for aquarium. Kyle sets a goal of earning $210. So 14H plus 21A equals to 210. Let H represents the number of hours worked at the city hall. Aha! I used it right. H. And let A represent the hours worked at the Long Beach Aquarium. Okay, write equation to express how Kyle can meet by working at the city hall and working at the aquarium. Okay, using the X and Y intercept, sketch the graph for part A. Okay, now if this is the case, it doesn't matter what you make for X and what you make for Y. You need to identify it though. So you can say, okay, you can say either way. So either way you can put the city hall here, hours for city hall here, and then hours for the aquarium here. AQU, okay, AR, right there, or vice versa. So you can have 2 different. Honey, can you close that door? Honey, can you close that door for me, please?
Oh.
Or you can switch these numbers around. Okay, so if you solved for 14H equals to 210, that answer, okay, that answer, that's for City Hall, that's the x-intercept. That's how much you need to work at City Hall to make $110. But you work 0 hour at the aquarium, okay? You work no hours at the aquarium. So if you divide by 14 here, so that would be 210, clear it up, divided by 14 is 15 hours. So you work a total of 15 hours at the aquarium, and you'll make you will make the $210 Kyle will make anyways, 210. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 15 hours is right here. 15 hours here. He'll work 0 hours at the aquarium. So watch, he wants to make $210, right? And he makes $14 an hour at City Hall. So he works 15 hours. 14 times 15 is $210 that he wanted to make. So he can work a total of 15 hours. So the x-intercept means that Kyle will work at City Hall for 15 hours to earn $210, and 0 hours at the aquarium. Okay. Okay, so, and then if he works, that's making that equal to 0 and using this only. Now let's do the opposite. Now let's mark this to be 0 and only solve for that. That is working only at the aquarium, okay? You need to understand that. 21a equals to 210. Divide by 21, divide by 21. Okay, so 10 hours. So you would have to work 10 hours at the aquarium. That's the y-intercept. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right here. You draw that. And all these are numbers in between. I should have you interpret this graph, but anyways. That's working at 10 hours at the aquarium. Okay? So, it's working 10 hours at the aquarium. And 0 hours at the City Hall. So the y-intercept means Kyle worked 10 hours at the aquarium to make $210 and 0 hours at City Hall. He put in all his hours at the aquarium. Okay? That's what it means. Okay, one solution, no solution, infinite solution. Remember that? Okay, distribute first. 4x minus 3x plus 6 equals to 6x plus 5 minus 5x. Oh, I need to write smaller. Oh, anyways, I'll erase it after. For combine these like terms, that gives you x minus 6 equals to x plus 5. You minus x, you got negative 6 do not equal to 5. No solution. There's no right answer for this. That's what it means. Okay, B. I'm going to erase this one. Okay. Simplify this. This is an invisible 1. Okay, invisible 1. Distribute. That's a negative 1. That's negative 2x. Negative and a negative is a positive 4. 3 equals to x plus 7 minus 3x. Okay, let's add these together. 7 plus negative 2x equals, this plus negative is the same thing as a minus, okay? Negative 2x plus 7. Add 2x, add 2x. 7 equals 7. Infinite solution. Right? I noticed right away when these were equal. Same thing here. Remember the no solution one? When this was a 1 and 1. Anyways. 7 equals 7. Oh, infinite solution. Okay, here we go. negative 3y, negative 21. 310, negative 7y, negative 3. Combine the like terms, gives you 2y minus 21, 297 minus 7y. Okay. Add 7y, add 7y. 9y minus 21 equals to 297. Hey, this is one solution. Because look, the coefficients were not the same. They're different. When the coefficient is different, you're going to have one answer like we have here. That one answer is divide by 9. Y is equal to 5, 35, and 3 over 9, or 35 and 1/3. Okay, that one answer, this is our one answer. Alright? Okay. Make the following equation slope-intercept form and then graph. Ooh! Okay. You know, you can graph this with decimals. There's no problem. Slope-intercept form is just y equals to mx plus b. So if you decide to go minus 0.25x minus 0.25x, okay, and go 0.2y equals to negative 0.25x plus the 2, and then divide by 0.2, you can divide, get an answer, and then you'll divide by 1. It'll be a headache graphing this. For me, I don't like that. Just horrible. I like whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers are good. So to make all these whole numbers, this is in the hundredths place. So I'm going to multiply it by 100. That's 25x times 100 plus 20y equals to 200 minus 25x negative 25x plus 200. Don't forget the x, divide by 20. Oh man. Y equals to negative 5 over 4x plus 10, right? So, to me, I'd rather graph this than decimal. So get rid of the decimal, put it at 10, it's right here. I go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And there you go. Now B, find the least common denominator for all of these denominators. Least common denominator is 6. Multiply them all by 6. Cross cancel. That leaves 8x. Cross cancel. Leaves 5y. Cross cancel. Leaves 3. Okay, solve for slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b minus 8x. Okay, you get 5y equals to, I gave you the wrong number, you guys. Negative 8x plus 3 divided by 5. Y equals to negative 8 over 5x plus 3 over 5. Oh, this is horrible to do. Anyways, just leave it like that. I meant to give you a different number than this 3 here. Possibly a 5 here, so make that 15. Okay, and that would work. So if this was 5 instead of a 1, that would make it 15. And this would be 15 divided by 5, it would be 3. And then right here, down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. Run out of room, just graph that. It's good enough. Okay? Rotate the following 90 degrees counterclockwise, then write figure 1. Counterclockwise. Okay, here's 12 degrees. 3, 6, 9. Counter is this way. So this point is going to be here. It's like this. Counterclockwise, y becomes its opposite. So S is 4, 2. S prime be 2, 4. Y become its opposite, so negative 2, positive 4 right there. Alright? So counterclockwise is y negative, like that. A is 3, negative 1, so A prime is negative 1, 3, or 3, negative 1. This quadrant, counter would be over here. Okay, so 1, 3. Right there. Y is opposite, X stay the same. Yep, that's right. And then T is 5, negative 2. T prime then would be 2, 5. Here, 2, 5. Okay. And then J is 4, negative 3. J prime is 3, 4, like that. And it's here, so it's going to be here. 3, 4, right here. And then you graph it. This is correct because the original thing is standing, so the figure is laying down. Okay. Oh. And then what? Rotate it over the x-axis. Oh, here's the x-axis. Rotate it over it. Well, it's on this side. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 1, 1, 2 right here. And we have a figure 1. Over the x, so this one goes over here. Okay, the A that's here is going to go over here because it's going to go over there. Right here. Okay. T is 2 away, so 2 away this way, right there. J is 1, 2, 3 away, 1, 2, 3 away, right there. Connect the dots. There we go. It's a reflection of itself. S here, figure 2. I like the letters better. That's it.